In this video, I will show you how to start incognito mode in Google Chrome. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, what you're going to want to do first is open up a new Google Chrome browser. Once you've opened up your browser, what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and click onto the three dots just up here. What it's going to do is bring up a menu like this, and as you can see, we've got an option here which says new incognito window. So what you want to do is simply give this a click, and as you can see, it's going to come up with a screen like this saying you've gone incognito. So what we can do is open up additional incognito tabs, but as you can see, it now says that others who use this device will not see your activity, so you can browse more privately. So that is how to start incognito mode in Google Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.